Do you like to read books? Do you write stories? So, you know what we need to write a story, right? Some pens, papers, maybe. Can you think of anything else? Or we just need a pen and paper? Yes, we need a story idea or a plot for the story. So, what is a plot? A plot is actually consist of four things, that is settings, characters, problems and solutions. And in between the problems and solution there are some important events that could happen in your story, right? Story is actually like a roller coaster. It has a beginning, then it reaches to the top, that means the climax of the story. Then the story approaches the end by solving the problems the characters are having, and there is the end with happy ending, maybe. Now we know that plot of a story has four parts, that is setting, where the story takes place, characters, important people in the story, problem, something that goes wrong in the story, and solution, how the problem is fixed or solved. In between problem and solution, there is some important events that occurred in the story, and all these four things make the plot of the story. And when we describe each and every part of this plot, we have a story in our hand. As we said, setting is where the story takes place. We describe the setting by telling what it looks like, how does it look, brick walls, wooden door, what it sounds like. Quiet, is the environment quiet or is it very loud? When did it happen? These things describe the setting. We can also add taste, hearing, sight, smell, touch to our settings. If the story is happening in a rose garden, we can describe the smell, and for sight, we can describe how green the grass is or the flowers are so beautiful. Hearing is like we can hear the sound of the river. Now, characters. So, when we are describing characters, we can tell how they look like, how do they say things, how do they feel. Are they sad, grumpy, mean, or scary? The problem is what goes wrong and needs to be fixed in a story. Sequence of events. Sequence of events are events that occurred in the story before solving the problem. We can putting these events of a story in time order of when they happened. We can say like first, next, then finally they solve the problem like it. And solution is how the problem is solved. It is the answer to the problem. When the prince was searching for the owner of the glass slipper, that was his problem, and the problem was solved when the shoe fits Cinderella. And we all have read the story The Three Little Pigs. So now let's see the story elements in The Three Little Pigs. First, the settings. We can say the setting was in the jungle or a village. And it was also in the houses of the three little pigs. And the main characters are the three little pigs and the big bad wolf. So, what did the pigs want? They wanted to go out in the world and build their own house. This is the beginning of the story. The problem in the story is the pigs built their houses with straws, with stakes and bricks, but The big bad wolf blew away the straw house and the stick house. So the two pigs ran to their brother who built a brick house. The wolf again tried to blow away the brick house, but he couldn't. So their problem was the wolf trying to destroy their houses. So how did they solve it? They solved it by putting a pot of hot water under the chimney so that a big bad wolf couldn't get into the house, and the wolf fell from the chimney in the water and he ran away. This is how the pigs solved their problem and they lived happily ever after. What you have to do now is write your own story and break them down in these story elements. So you have to say about settings, then who are the main characters of your story, then what happened first, the important events, the problem in your story, how your characters solved their problems.